Hey guys, welcome back to SRE. I'm just doing a shout out for my man. I want you guys to get a better look. I'm better at doing this than writing emails. Okay, this is the head kit that I make. It's gonna come with this cylinder head with those two bolt-on extensions that add cooling, because everyone knows, how these things run hot. So it goes like that, okay? Or you can run it like this, either or. I haven't had any problems at all. And this one is 15-to-1 compression. I also am making the flywheels, reproducing the flywheels. Those I have in stock. I already sent one to my man Fabio, so he's got one. So they are here. They are in stock. I got like 4 or 5 of them done. Okay, now back to the cylinder kit. I'm gonna have 4 kits coming up here that are gonna be done shortly, within a week. Some with a smaller red cylinder head, for lighter deals, like for RC cars and stuff. This head is definitely what I think should be on for the GoPed guys. They're definitely under more load. I'm going to be reproducing this pipe. I have already am in the process of spinning off the cones and getting that ready. For $200, you're going to receive the cylinder head, it cut and machined with the custom Allen head bolts that go in, and the other 2 fins, of course. You'll receive intake gasket and exhaust gasket. I'll supply a base gasket, but I do not port the port timing. I do not like running base gaskets on these engines. If you want to absolutely run one, then we can definitely talk about that, and I can adjust the port timing. Okay, now for $250, I will do complete reed porting, same kit. You'll get piston, rings. I'll cut, lighten, window, everything. It'll be brand new piston, brand new rings, brand new pin, brand new top bearing, no spacers. I'm sure you guys already have those. If you don't, of course, I could get you a set or whatever. And that's for $250. I know that's kind of cheap, but what I'm trying to do is get out there, get a few guys with my stuff, get a few guys running strong, And then but I'll never do the Schlitz thing. $500 for this. It's absurd. It's crazy. It's too much money. I'm sorry, but it's just too much money. And I machine these things by hand, and I still make money at $250. Okay, guys. So just being brutally honest, you know what I mean. I like to try to keep it